In this video, I'll be covering the best YouTube niches according to their CPM, which will earn you the most money per 1,000 views. There isn't something like the best niche. All of these niches have a high CPM, but if you're thinking of starting a YouTube automation channel, then pick the niche that excites you the most. When you create YouTube videos and you're a partnered YouTuber, your videos become available for advertisers to display their ads. An advertiser has to pay a certain price each time someone watches 30 seconds of their ad or clicks on the link. The amount they pay is determined by the amount of competition or other advertisers that also want to show their ad on their video. They have to fight each other and give the highest price, somewhat like an auction, so their ads can be shown. The more competition, the more expensive it is to show the ad and the more money you get as the creator of the video. Here is a list of the 5 highest CPM niches and also example channels, so you can go through these channels and see whether or not you would like to create an automation channel in these niches. I have a video already dedicated to how to create YouTube automation channels and how to create the videos. The first niche is the luxury niche, which is one of my favorites. The audience watching videos in this niche either has a lot of money to spend on luxury items or are on the road to becoming a millionaire and they're interested in the luxury lifestyle. The first example channel in the luxury niche is Visualize Yourself Beyond Ordinary. They have a bunch of millionaires and billionaires talking about money and mindset, and then they just add some video clips of luxury cars, luxury lifestyle and stuff like that to make the full video. The second channel is alux.com. They're probably the biggest luxury channel out there with over 3.7 million subscribers, and they post one video every single day and it's all related to luxury. So it's anything from cars to people to watches to places, and it's really simple videos. They have a consistent theme going and you can look at this channel for more inspiration. The last example channel in the luxury niche is Mr. Luxury. They post really intriguing videos and content. They have good looking thumbnails and they have a lot of videos about billionaires, trillionaires. They have stuff about the most expensive private jets, the new Tesla self-charging super yacht, $500 billion future mega city in Saudi Arabia. They have really interesting content, so you can take a look at their channel to find some inspiration to videos you might want to create. The second niche is finance channels. Finance channels should come as no surprise as the focus is on money. Advertisers will pay good money to put their ads in front of people who likes to invest money or learn about making more money. These channels can be personal finance, crypto, real estate, pretty much anything else where the focus is on making money. I have 2 example channels. The first one is Top Wealth Secrets and the second one is Kashina. They create similar content and it's all about different ways to make money online. You can niche down and create videos on dropshipping, print on demand. You can create videos on YouTube automation or crypto or anything related to money. The third niche is the fitness niche. This is a really good niche as there are a lot of different types of audiences and sub-niches. You have people who want to lose weight, people who want to get into shape, you have bodybuilders, you have people who primarily focus on their diet, and there are a lot of supplements, programs, apps and courses that companies would want you to buy. So the fitness industry is really competitive, thus the CPM will be high. The first example channel is Body Hub. They create videos about weight loss and fitness and health and food and exercise and everything in the fitness and health niche. So you can go to their channel and see some examples and get some ideas for your channel. The second example channel is called Bestie and they almost have 4 million subscribers and they post 3 videos per day, which is quite a lot, but they have videos about pretty much everything in the health and fitness niche, so check out their channel to get some inspiration. The fourth niche is the tech niche. This is a really fun niche to get into as there are a lot of new tech coming out each month, and if you make videos on the newest tech you can easily rank on YouTube as the competition will be low. It's also easy to get affiliate links to the products mentioned in the video, which will earn you a commission every time someone purchases a product through your link. The first example channel is called Simply Tech, and they create a bunch of different videos related to all the big tech companies. The second example channel is called Future Tech, and they create a bunch of different compilation videos based on futuristic gadgets and tech that's coming out. The last niche is the makeup and beauty niche. This niche has a ton of products from low tier to high tier that advertisers would pay good money for advertisements so that the people watching the videos can buy their products. There are plenty of other amazing high CPM niches, but these are just a few of the highest ones with the most sub niches from which you can choose if you are planning to start your own automation channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.